Well, can you guess where I am? The roof. The entrance to my property, the highway, the wind, one chimney, two chimneys, and a bird's eye view. And we're looking down on the red deck roller coaster for the first time. Hi everyone!
Hey!
Hey! They were all up here except for Big Bloke. He was afraid. Now I'm up here alone.
I think you're a little high, Dave.
This is the only way I get high at David's farm, is either on my redneck roller coaster or way up here. Even got some apples to bring home and eat. So, as you can see on Google Earth pictures, got the main road that goes back. Also got a grassy trail that goes all the way back. Leaves are just starting to fall. There's my lookout point, where I watch my sunsets on my easy chairs. Rick's Ranch just over there. That's the hill that Pug jumped his motorhome on and busted all himself up and everything. Taliban taxi. Rest of the cars are just over yonder. Beans are getting close to be harvested. The catnip drying trailer. And various antennas in the corner of my building for all the different stereo systems and TV inside. Nice view. That was Wolf's farm when he was still alive, but that farm is sold now and no one lives there. So this is just a video to give you a bird's eye view of what it really looks like, except from Google Earth. And this is like September 14th, 2010. That's the power box someone hit 6 years ago with a car and destroyed. And the soybeans should be harvested in a couple weeks, but unfortunately the farmers seem to be planting winter wheat right afterwards, so we might not have any field racing season at all this year. But fortunately he's planting winter wheat, and that means next July we can go racing on the field again when it's all harvested for a long time, just like last year. Sweet. Nice. Some big ones out here.